Okay, the puppies are 1 week old today. They just got weighed and pictures taken. Clue, come on in. Clue, here. Come on, Clue. And Clue's going to come in here and show you what she all does. First, we're going to eat up a little poop. Yum, yum, yum. And she checks out the puppies. She still has to lick them to stimulate to pee and poop. And she consumes whatever they do. Little Dream got in there quick, huh? I think everybody else is still asleep.